What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 5 quick tips you can use to improve your credit. Repairing your credit can be difficult, especially if you feel like you're beginning from zero. Fortunately, no matter how low your initial credit score is, there are a number of basic, straightforward activities you can do to improve your credit. It is nonetheless critical to recognize that in many circumstances, there is no quick repair for your credit. Raising your credit score might take time, but it is possible if you are diligent. To begin, what exactly is a good credit score? In general, any credit score above 700 from the standard FICO score range of 300 to 850 is considered excellent. Maintaining a credit score of 700 or above is crucial for a variety of reasons, including the fact that it allows you access to the world of credit, where you are more likely to be accepted for loans, qualify for reduced interest rates, and even enjoy lower rates on vehicle insurance and mortgages. For many people, receiving a poor credit score on their credit report is a cause of immediate panic. The good news is that these figures do not constitute a life sentence. It may take a few years, but repairing your credit may be easier than you think if you take the right actions and don't give up. Getting started might be the most difficult part. So, here are 5 simple things you can do right now to get your credit score back on track. 1. Avoid making late payments. Your payment history is an important component of your total credit score. You could believe that if your credit score is already poor, one more late payment won't hurt you anymore. Unfortunately, any and all late payments can harm your credit score. Create a budget to begin making all payments on time. 2. Pay off old debts. The first tip goes directly into the second. You must pay off your past bills in order to improve your credit score. If you want to get out of debt, start with the debts with the highest interest rates. If you want to improve your credit score quickly, your first objective should be to pay off credit card debt in order to minimize your usage rate. Credit bureaus utilize your credit history to determine your credit score. Slowly paying off previous debt demonstrates that you're making progress, and it will most likely appear on your credit report within 1 to 2 months. It is critical to select a trustworthy credit counseling firm, such as the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, which has offices in every state. You are basically entrusting this organization with your financial future, so do your homework. 3. Consider a secured credit card. If your credit score is extremely low, less than 550, your credit cards may have already been closed or shut off, and getting a new unsecured credit card with an acceptable credit limit may be difficult or impossible. In such instances, a secured credit card may be the best option for you to rebuild your credit. Your own money is used as security for a secured credit card. You can seek progressive increases in your line of credit if you continue to use this card and make on-time payments over a period of months. Your credit score will improve over time, and you'll be able to apply for a regular unsecured credit card again. Simply ensure that your secured credit card reports payments to all 3 main credit agencies, otherwise, your payments will not appear on your credit reports and will not boost your credit score. Remember, if you do obtain a new credit card, never spend more than you can afford to repay. It's critical to break the unhealthy behaviors that led to your low credit in the first place. Make good use of your newfound credit. 4. Take advantage of new credit opportunities when they arise. With that stated, it is critical to seize fresh, legal credit possibilities to assist boost your credit score when they emerge. For example, if you are qualified for a credit line with a reasonable interest rate, accept it. Make sure not to utilize more than 25% of the available balance. Having a strong credit mix with a variety of accounts in good standing is preferable to having only credit cards, only installment loans, and so on. 5. Look for subprime loans for larger purchases. Subprime lending should be an area where lenders want to help persons with bad credit who are prepared to work hard to improve their situation. Subprime lenders are any lenders who operate with FICO ratings of less than 640 in the United States. You've probably had problems being accepted for car loans, credit cards, and perhaps even housing with a credit score this low. Unfortunately, the subprime market is riddled with fraud and untrustworthy tactics. It is critical to conduct thorough research on any lender or institution with whom you intend to do business. Look up reviews on any website you can find, phone them, and ask for consumer references. Find out if the firm is affiliated with the Better Business Bureau, BBB, and look at the lender's rating and customer reviews there as well. You should proceed only after properly researching a lender. Despite skepticism, subprime financing may assist certain consumers in obtaining larger loans for items such as automobiles. Paying off these debts also has a positive impact on your credit score. In conclusion, these suggestions are long-term in nature because there is no fast repair for credit. Credit repair is a step-by-step procedure that takes time. If you're ready to commit to improving your credit, these 5 suggestions may help you turn your credit around when you need it the most. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.